Namaste students, this is JVN Brijesh Kumar Yadav, Faculty of Education and Methodology, Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University, Jaipur. I welcome to all of you in my digital class. Students, today we are going to study Lamiaceae family. Okay. Before that, I think more than 6 families we have studied. In continuation of previous lecture, today we are going to study Lamiaceae family. Students, as by seeing the images, you can guess these plants are very familiar. You all know. One of them is mint, another is pudina. Okay, these plants are belonging to this family. So let's start with systematic position. Division is Spermatophyta, subdivision Phanerogramms, class Dicotyledons, subclass Gamopetalae, series Bicarpellity, order Lamiales, and family is Lamiaceae. Okay, this family Lamiaceae is popularly known as mint family because peppermint, that plant belonging to this family. That's why, on the basis of that, another name, it is a typical type species. Okay, each family has its own type species, and on the basis of that type species, the family name has been given. Okay, next is characters of Lamiaceae family. The plants are usually herb or shrubs. Here, plants are herb shrubs, there is no tree. The stem is quadrangular, means there are 4 corners in the stem of the plants which are belonging to Lamiaceae family. The leaves are simple, X-stipulate, opposite, aromatic. Students, this aromatic nature of this family is the unique feature of this family. You won't find in other family. Okay, because every family has its own aromatic smell. Inflorescence is thyrsus or verticillaster. This is again important feature. Flowers are bisexual, irregular, zygomorphic and hypogynous. Calyx consists of 5 sepals, that is pentamerous. Gamosepalous estivation is imbricate or valvate. Corolla is bilabiate. It consists of 5 fused petals in imbricate estivation. Means estivation of corolla is imbricate. Next, Androecium consists of 4 stamens. Stamens are epipetalous and didynamous. Anthers are diathecous, longitudinally slits. Gynoecium is bicarpellity, syncarpous and tetralocular, means 4 locules will be there. Ovary is superior, ovule is axile presentation, fruit is schizocarp, seed is non-endospermic. Now distribution. This family includes about 200 genera with 3200 species in India. This family represented by about 400 species in worldwide distribution. The members of this family are found both in tropical and temperate climates, while species occur in hills. Most of the plants which are wild found on the hills. Now, these are some of the common plants belonging to this family. First one is Ocimum sanctum. This is well known, well familiar to all of you, irrespective to any region of India, because this is a kind of holy plant. Tulsi, you all know, which Hindus worship of this plant. Second plant is Mentha, that is peppermint. Third one is Anisomales indica. Fourth is Lucas aspera, and fifth is, that is aquatic plant, Salvia. salvia officinales. So students, from each family you have to remember at least 10 plants with their botanical name, common name, and some of them have their its own use. Okay, I understand, I can guess you that you people are not feeling much comfortable in remembering the common name or botanical name of plant, but I can guarantee you, I'm damn sure, after getting the rhythm of taxonomy you will remember all those plants name very easily, because last year also students were very afraid, they were very panic to remember the botanical name of the plants, but after some classes I have promoted them, encouraged them, and gave them the tricks how to remember the botanical name of plants. They got that rhythm and remembered, and I have checked their copies. Most of the students has retained the answer whatever I have asked regarding to botanical name. Okay, so for today this is sufficient. I'm going to finish this class. On next day we will meet with an other family. Thank you very much.